One day, in the middle of a lecture, the Tiferet Shlomo, Rabbi Shlomo of Rodomsk, a great Hasidic master, is interrupted. Rabbi, thank you. Thank you so much. You saved our father. You did a miracle. You performed a miracle with our father. Rabbi Shlomo of Rodomsk became very serious and said, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. You're interrupting my lecture. Please leave. Thank you so much. But yes, it was you. Rabbi, come on, I know. And again he insists, please, I think you have the wrong person. I didn't do anything. Thank you so much. One of the students walked away and went to see the young man who told him the story of the miracle. The young man came back and said, but Rebbe, teacher, our master, you performed a miracle. Why did you dismiss this young man? Came Rabbi Shlomo of Rodomsk and he said, there's a teaching that we received from our master, the Baal Shem Tov, Rabbi Yisrael Baal Shem Tov, the founder of Hasidism. He taught us that when Moses and Aaron went to Pharaoh, Pharaoh said to them, Tenu lachem mofet. I want you to do a miracle for you. The Baal Shem Tov asks, it should have been more proper to say, do a miracle for me. What does it mean for you, Moses and Aaron? Actually, Pharaoh knew that the beginning of the downfall of man starts with ego. You see, says the Baal Shem Tov, when a person, a tzaddik, performs a miracle, everybody performs a miracle according to his level. But sometimes when the Satan sees that he cannot get the tzaddik, the righteous one, to fall, he participates and makes a miracle that's much greater than the capacity and the level of this righteous man. As a result, for 1 second, it's possible that tzaddik will feel, wow, I did it. I'm somebody. He's going to have a moment of ego. And at that moment of ego, the Satan will take him and bring him down. Therefore, says Rabbi Shlomo of Rodomsk, that's why Pharaoh asked Moshe and Aaron, make a miracle for you, that you should feel ego from it. And like this, I'll be able to crush you. I don't know, he answered. Maybe the miracle that was produced was actually the Satan doing it. And therefore, I didn't want to take any credit for something which is not of my level. This is true humility. Recognize however you are, however great you are, you always have to stay humble in order to stay in the path of God.